In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom checkout form vertical bar Squarespace 7.1. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the checkout settings and how to tailor the form to collect the right information from your customers. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Squarespace. Once you're on the site, click Log In and sign in with your account. After you're in, choose the website you want to work on. Click Go to Website so you can access that site's dashboard. Then select Edit Site to enter the editor where all your settings live. From the editor, look for the settings icon, usually shown as a gear. Click that to open your site settings. In the settings menu, choose Selling to access your commerce options and then click Checkout. This is where you control the information requested when a customer completes a purchase. On the checkout page, locate the section labeled Additional Fields. Click the arrow next to it to expand more options. Here you'll see the controls for customizing your form. Turn on Enable Custom Checkout Form. This switch allows you to override the default checkout fields and design a form that fits your business needs. Next, click Edit Custom Form. At the top of the form editor, you can change the form name. Choose a clear name so you'll recognize the setup later, especially if you manage more than one configuration. Now add the fields you want. Click Add Form Field, then select the types of fields you need from the list. You can include options like email and address, along with other standard inputs such as short text, long text, or checkboxes. As you add fields, give each one a helpful label and, if appropriate, a short description so customers know exactly what to provide. Keep the form as lean as possible to reduce friction at checkout. Only ask for what you truly need to fulfill orders or provide customer support. If something is essential, mark it as required. If it's nice to have, leave it optional to keep the process smooth. When you're happy with your form, click Save inside the form editor to confirm those changes. Then, back on the checkout settings page, click Save again to apply everything to your live checkout. Those two saves are important. One saves the form layout, and the second saves the checkout settings themselves. That's it. You've enabled and customized your Squarespace 7.